right, this is another one of my signature moves called the Showstopper, and I swear it's not as difficult as you think. Yes, so we are going to move back to back with our chair. Now, you are going to align the top of the chair with your lower back. You are going to hold on to the chair. Since I have heels, I'm really tall, so I need to scooch up a little bit. What I normally like to do to get into this move is like a boom, boom, boom. Put my lower back on the chair, lift one leg up, and I allow myself to fall back. And there's going to be a point where you can balance. Now, the important part here is that you put your forearms along with the arms of the chair. You allow your head to rest, and then you can balance. Breathe. You can play with your legs here. Boom, 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 boom. And then you can come back up. Boom, boom. Okay, so we're stepping out. Hold on with our hands. Do a little boom, boom, boom. Find your lower back. Lift one leg up and back. Doon, 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 doon. Okay? You can come out of it just like I showed you, or you can try the Slay Queen, which again is another super advanced move that you need to be careful of and have a spotter. Okay, so let me show you what it looks like. Boom, boom, boom. I do my Showstopper. Boom, boom, boom. And then I'm going to allow my torso to fall into the chair and my head will move off of it. So my shoulders are on the chair. Here, I can open my legs. Okay, I can touch. And here's where you can do a back somersault off of the chair. You can do it landing in the splits, or you can do it landing on your feet. Let me show you both. Rolling over, 1, 2, boom, boom. Then you can move into some other trick that you have there, okay? To roll over, I'm actually gonna use my left hand to hold here, my right hand to hold the top of the chair as well. 1, 2, and 3. Let me show you what it looks like to land in the splits, which is a little bit more advanced. Okay, Showstopper, Slay Queen, and land in my splits. Boom. Come over, and you got it. Good. Athena. Let's try the Showstopper with Athena. So you're gonna hold on to the sides. Very good. You're gonna do your booty roll. Good. And you're gonna have one leg pop up. You're going to look for your head on the chair. Lift that leg up in the air. Lift your head up in the air, but keep your head on the chair. Yep, so, okay. All right, go ahead and come down into the Slay Queen. Yep, you're good, you're good. Oh, my hair's stuck. There you go. Okay, there you go. You can go ahead and open. Good. So you're gonna hold on to the chair while you roll over your left shoulder and your feet search for the ground. 1, 2, yes. There you go, there you go, there you go. Yes, very good, very good. So I want you to watch me one more time with the Showstopper about my head. Pay special attention to where my head is. So I'm doing body roll, booty roll, booty roll, up. And I'm gonna balance here. That could actually be your first step. Balance here. And then I'm gonna search for my head on the chair. 1 up, 2 up. Okay, let's try that part just again. Good, so holding on, do a little booty, pop out one leg, and I want you to just find the balance point. Yep, so your head's gonna go back, look back on your head. Spotters, please hold the chair.
I think it's because I don't have the flexibility.
You will as soon as you allow your body to come down. Okay. Yeah, so hold on to it. Good, lift one leg up. Good. Find that little spot where you can let your other leg go. Good. Look for your head on the chair. Good. And then come down into the Slay Queen. Let your head roll off of the chair. Good. Awesome. And then go ahead, hold on to the chair for dear life. Roll over this shoulder. Look for one foot on the ground, another foot on the ground, and then spin yourself off. Good.
That was a little better.
That was the Showstopper with the Slay Queen. Well done, Athena. Thank you so much for joining Acro-Chair, and I look forward to seeing your videos. So you can find me on Instagram at Miss Nicole Brook, and you can find us on TikTok at Find Your Sexy Sunday School. So send me your videos, tag me, let me know how you like them, and let's make Acro-Chair a true revolution. Enjoy, have fun, and let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.